Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So today I want to just have a quick message to all the new subscribers out there. First of all, I'd like to say thank you. Jessica would too also if she was here. We would like to say thank you for becoming a part of our channel and subscribing and hitting that bell for notifications and things like that. I want to talk today a little bit about what our channel is about and what we believe in here. Here at Christ Center and Ironworks, we're all about your betterment. So empowering you to go out into this world, to create awesome things, and to be able to change your life or change your stripes. So we thank you for being a part of this channel. There is, right now, as of the recording of this video, there is about 730 videos on YouTube that we have produced over the last year and a half. And we hope that you'll enjoy those. If you're looking for something in particular, you can always go to the playlist section. There's a lot of playlists, so you will have to use the search bar to take and search for the topic matter that you're interested in. Chances are we have covered it with that many, with those many videos of content. But we really hope that you'll find something that will interest you and that'll keep you as part of our channel for the long haul. We are very community oriented and centric. We don't tolerate any sort of foul language or, provocativeness or anything like that in the comment sections. So keep your comments good and clean and of good humor and of good faith. We do not tolerate, even for a second, any sort of trolling. That's a good way of getting yourself blocked from our channel. We like to keep this as centric around the subject of blacksmithing and learning and business and becoming a success for yourself as we can. And we work very hard, very tirelessly at that with our channel's objectives and motives. For those of you that have been with us from the very start, all the way back when we only had maybe 10 subs till now, where we're over 21,000 subscribers, big thank you to every last one of you for sticking around. It's been a crazy ride to this point. We've had our ups and we've had our downs, and I've put out good content and I've put out stuff that I don't feel was my best and everything in between. But it's been an amazing ride and you all have made it possible. So I just want to thank you once again. If you are new to the channel, thank you for being here. Make sure to watch the videos of whatever you're interested in and check out that playlist section. We have tons of resources there. Also, I'm going to let you all in on some more resources. We have a Friday night live stream every Friday night, unless there's something that comes up, from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we also have a business Q&A live stream that we're doing very specifically for you to help you grow your business, where you can ask business-related questions directly to us via live stream format on Monday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're doing that as a help to you, and we hope to see you there if you're looking at expanding your knowledge about growing your blacksmithing business to maybe to a full-time income, or maybe just something to take and, feed the addiction, if it were. So those are our two main groups, is try to help you with your blacksmithing skills and to be able to grow your business skill set as well. There's tons of resources, tons of stuff that's action-packed. You can get a lot of our resources if you want to help support this channel and what we do. If that is something you're into, you can do that through blacksmithpdfs.com. You can go there. That's where we sell power hammer plans and bundles. And Jessica just released an ebook called the Blacksmith Cheat Sheet that has 50 items of things that you can, that have all the keywords and pricing strategies there that you can dig into to take and help grow your blacksmithing business, and a lot of good stuff on the way. We have several other ebooks coming out. I actually even have a few DVD courses that'll be coming out here in, hopefully by the end of this year to early spring next year. And so stick around the channel. Once again, just thank you all for being here. Hopefully this video was valuable to you. and that you found something interesting about it. So without further ado, God bless you all, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.